Hey folks, plenty warm across the valley again today. Temperatures still at 98 in McAllen, 97 Edinburgh, and there's Rio Grande City, always warmer at 101. Port Isabel's 90. The island topped out at 88 this afternoon, so a little bit cooler at the beach. Brownsville 93 right now. Low temperatures tonight back in the upper 70s and low 80s, about 79 in the mid-valley, 81 for a low in McAllen, so we're well above normal. And then tomorrow, right back up where we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer, anywhere from 89 at the beach to about 103 in Rio Grande City. Mid-Valley running 97 to 98 degrees. The normal for this time of year is 97, and we'll be above that at 98, 98, and 99. The records at 103 probably not going to be threatened this week. I think we stay just a little bit below those levels. Here's cloud cover across South Texas today, and there hasn't been much. We've seen mostly sunny skies most of the day, a thin band of clouds out to the west of us right now, but that's really about the extent of it. And future track suggests it stays quiet overnight tonight. During the daytime tomorrow, you saw a little green dot show up from time to time. I can't rule out a brief shower on the sea breeze tomorrow. We're adding a little bit of moisture to the atmosphere, so a stray shower is a possibility, but you're talking 10%, something like that. And on Wednesday could be a pop-up as well, but even then I think even less of a chance on Wednesday, and Thursday even less than that. So we're going like 10%, 5%, and then nothing over the next few days. There you go, 10, mainly dry, about 5, and then nothing for Thursday. So while there will be isolated showers around, we're talking extremely isolated. Most areas don't get rained on. A vast majority of the valley stays dry. Where it's not dry is up in central and north Texas. Big time rainfall in Dallas, up into Oklahoma right now. The same upper air low that was sitting back over here giving us rain yesterday and Saturday, moving off to the northeast now, taking most of the big rainfall with it. But notice over the mountains, still some pretty good rain falling to the west of us today, but that's all staying off to the west and should not move in our direction. Here's future track. There goes the low off to the north, and then tomorrow, spotty showers on the sea breeze. That's about it. And after that, high pressure builds in. It kind of controls things for a while. This is not the big ridge we saw earlier in the summer where it just sat there and sat there and sat there. Temperature got to 104, 105. But it's still pretty strong, and it's enough to push most of the rain out for a few days. So after that very slight chance the next 2 or 3 days, we just go dry and hot for the foreseeable future. After that, no big breaks at all. Check out the tropics. The Gulf, of course, is quiet. The Caribbean's quiet. The Atlantic, one system in the middle of the Atlantic that's actually kind of drifting down to the southwest, a 10 to 20% chance of development. No threat anywhere near here anytime soon. At the coast, here's what you can expect. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 17, a moderate chop. UV's extreme, the bay's 82, the surface 78. Seas running 3 to 5 feet. 3 tides starting at 6:50 in the morning with a high. A couple more after that. So tonight a low of 79, partly cloudy, warm and humid. Yeah, 79 if it's the low. That tells you it's muggy out there. And then tomorrow we're back up to 98, hot and breezy. Can't rule out an isolated shower. About a 10% probability tomorrow. Wind out of the southeast like today, 15 to 25. And a little bit gusty. Wednesday, we're back to 98. Thursday, back to 99. And by Saturday, Sunday, we're back to 100 degrees once again. So we slowly begin a little bit of a warming trend, but even at that, it's only a couple of degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.